how to use Rainmeter on Windows 11. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our browser right here. And then once you are now on your browser, on the search bar, just search for rainmeter.net. So once you do that, you will be redirected into this website. So once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to just look for the download button, which is right here. So just click download right here and then save it on your desktop. Once you do that, all you have to do is to click open file right here and then just click OK and then click next and then click install. After that, just click finish and make sure that you run Rainmeter right here. So once you click finish right there, Rainmeter will open. So let's wait for it. So as you can see, here is our Rainmeter. So to use it, all you have to do is to click this arrow in this bar. So click that. And then you should be able to see this icon right here. So all you have to do is to click on that. And then in this part, you will now be able to see the skins that we can use. Now let's go back into our desktop. So as you can see, we now have downloaded this one right here. So let's say, for example, we don't want this. So all you have to do is to go back into this, and then all you have to do is to unload it. So if you don't want it, so just click unload, and then they will be removed from your desktop. Same goes for the disk. If you don't want that also, you can also, of course, unload it right here. So let's do that. Let's unload them. Same goes for this one. Now let's say, for example, that we want to add another one right here. So what we're going to do next is to go into our browser once again and then just search for visualskins.com. So you will see Rainmeter skins right here that you can use for your desktop. Now, all you have to do on the search bar is to search for Mond and then click enter. Once you do that, let's say, for example, that we want to use this. So just click this one right here. And then in this part, we're going to, of course, download it. So just scroll down until you see the download button. So make sure that you click the real download button and not the download button from the ads, because that might be a malware. So make sure that you click the right one. And then once you do that, just click the save button right here. And then once it is downloaded, just click open file. And then after that, make sure to highlight the Mond for the skins and then, of course, the layout. After that, just click install. And then once it is installed, all you have to do is to go back into this part. So open this and then click this once again. And then you will now be able to see it right here. So if you go back into our desktop, we will now be able to see it right here. So let's say, for example, we want to unload this. So if you click unload, it will be removed. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to use Rainmeter on Windows 11.